Ever find yourself needing to focus, unwind, or even drift off to sleep? Just can't seem to get in the zone? What if your iPhone could instantly create the perfect atmosphere for any mood? Well, get ready, because with iOS 18.4, Apple is bringing a game changer right to your fingertips. Ambient music directly in Control Center. This isn't just background noise, it's curated soundscape designed to enhance your daily life. Getting started is incredibly easy. First, swipe down to open Control Center. See that little plus button in the top left? Tap that. Next, scroll down and tap Add a Control. You'll then find the ambient music section below. This is where the magic happens. You've got 4 fantastic options to choose from, each designed for a specific vibe. So first off, you have sleep, when it's time to quiet your mind and ease into dreamland, or chill for those moments you need to simply relax and de-stress. Productivity to help you sharpen your focus and tackle tasks with clarity, and well-being, ideal for meditation, mindfulness, or just a moment of self-care. For this demo, let's go with chill. Just tap on it to add it to your Control Center. Want to fine-tune your audio experience? No problem, just tap the chill control again within Control Center. This opens up your current playlist. To switch things up, simply tap the playlist name and explore different options available. We'll stick with laid back lo-fi for this. It's a classic for a reason. Once you've made your choice, just tap anywhere outside the ambient music menu to save your selection. Then tap an empty space in Control Center to lock in your new ambient music control. And that's it. Now, whenever you need to set the mood, just open Control Center and tap your ambient music control. Your chosen playlist will instantly start playing, transforming your space and your state of mind. Stop. Did you know you can unlock many more features on the iPhone with iOS 26? Apple is allowing users to download and test the future of iOS for free. Check out our full guide right here.